What's up, Tech Nation? This is the next thing we're reviewing here. It's called the Insta360 GO2, the tiny mighty action camera. Look how small it is compared to your finger. So let me show you what it's got. That's the true size of it right there. I'm showing it on an iPhone case, so you can see how small this camera is. It's really tiny. That's the pendant you wear around your neck, and it magnetizes to your, like, you put this under your shirt, and that has a magnet that sticks to that. I guess they're both magnets, I don't know. And then this is a stand, a pivot stand. And then this is the clip. I'm not sure where the tripod is. I'm looking for the tripod right now. I don't see the tripod legs on the camera unless they expect you to use this as your tripod, which would make sense. Why wouldn't I use that anyway? But anyway, that's the scoop. There's your charging case, okay? And then here's the instructions I'm gonna read in a minute to try and figure out where the tripod is, because I wanna use this mostly for like blogging purposes or vlogging purposes. But yeah, it's gonna go on roller coasters and stuff. We're gonna use the magnetic pendant to hold the camera in place and ride roller coasters. It's gonna be fun. All right, as you can see, I've plugged it's got a USB-C plug on the camera charging case. Camera's inside right now. It's got a red light. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, red light, kinda. Hold on, let me come around, ready? Well, there's a red light shining, I swear, right there at the very edge. Right there, red light, there we go. I'm guessing that'll turn green when charged. All right, and it's plugged in, and it's got a regular USB plug to charge. So I got a USB-C plugged into the camera case, okay? Okay, green light's on. That means we're go. Let's do it. Okay, we charged it, we downloaded the app. So now let's click on Insta360, take a look at the app and get started. I'm not sure if it's on, the camera's on yet. Doesn't look like the camera's on, so I need to see GO2. Quick start tutorial, I got that. Oh yeah, quick start tutorial, that's all good. So how do I get this thing going? Settings, connect camera. There we go, yellow button, connect camera, pink. Searching for new camera. I don't know if it can sense it or I need to turn it on. Please turn on camera and place it close to your phone. How do you turn on camera? Hold on. I don't know how to turn the camera on. Be nice if they told you. Oh good, it's all in Japanese. Hold on. Camera not found. What's going on? Okay guys, wow, this is going to be a short video and a big review. This thing is a piece of junk. There's other people on the internet who cannot connect to Wi-Fi, who cannot communicate to the app that they have, who cannot use this camera, and I'm not the only one struggling. So I'm not gonna fight this. I'm taking this back to Best Buy. I'm getting my money back, or I'm getting a camera that works, but this one will not connect to the app. The Wi-Fi issues, it's unbelievable. One guy on the internet's explaining the problem and he's talking forever. I don't care. How do you fix it immediately? Don't tell me all the testing you did. He's literally, I went upstairs and I went down to the basement and said hi to mom and played a video game. What? How about you just tell me how to fix the problem? Get to the meat of the video. So the meat of the video is this camera sucks.